Top 5 Best Winches. Let's get started with the list. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Smittybilt 97495 XRC. The Smittybilt 97495 XRC is a high-quality winch that comes in a wide range of pull capacities based on your need and purpose. This model has a long stainless steel cable that is very heavy-duty and will not break easily, even if you go with a long-length cable. Furthermore, the lowest winch capacity offered is 9,500 pounds and the highest is 17,500 pounds. With such a flexible range of pull capacities, you would have no problem finding a wider range of activities for this winch regardless of your purpose. In addition, this model is completely waterproof, so you can safely use it outside as it will not corrode or degrade when left in the rain. At number 2, Expol 8012000A. This Expol is an electric winch used by both beginners and experts for various ATV applications. One of the best things about this model is its high pull capacity of 12,000 pounds, which makes it a heavy-duty winch that can pull very heavy vehicles. In addition, the length of the stainless steel cable of this unit can reach 26 meters. This is definitely not the longest we have seen, but still quite impressive, especially considering that this winch is a small and compact model. This winch has a breaker system that is the very heavy duty and make it safer to use by beginners. Superior pull capacity of 12,000 pounds. Small and compact, does not require a lot of space on your truck. At number 3, Expol AM0003. This Expol recovery winch kit remains one of the most impressive models in this review. It has an excellent build construction and comes with a stainless steel cable that is very durable and will not break easily. Moreover, the cable length of 15 meters is definitely not the longest we have seen, but still more than usable. This model has a capacity of 4,500 pounds, which is more than adequate for casual winching. It can definitely pull a 4x4 or mid-size truck with ease. Additionally, its gear ratio of 185:1 compensates its 1.7 horsepower DC motor quite well. It is not a very fast winch, but the pull speed is more than adequate. 2 wireless remote controls allow you to control the winch at a distance. Decent pull capacity of 4,500 pounds for its small and compact size. At number 4, Smittybilt 97517. It is one of the most compact and yet powerful winches in this review. In fact, many experts rate this model as one of the best electric winches on the market, as it has an excellent size-to-performance ratio. You can purchase this winch in different sizes and styles, and you even have the ability to choose whether you want a synthetic rope or a stainless steel cable with your winch. If you're looking for a small and yet heavy-duty winch for a wide range of ATV applications, then you should add the Smittybilt 97517 to your purchase. However, make sure that this model is compatible with your Jeep, as its small form factor is not for every Jeep out there. At number 5, Rugcell Electric 12 volts. A multi-purpose tool for pull-in or let-out, built strong from high-quantity steel, high torque from a powerful permanent magnet motor, high-strength steel cable roller, 1.0 horsepower 12V series wound motor and 3-stage planetary gear system with free spooling clutch, wire rope, completely waterproof, 2,000 pounds rated capacity line pull for smooth and efficient operation, mechanical and dynamic brake for control while winching, including the detailed manual instruction. All winches come backed by a lifetime technical support and 3-year limited warranty. So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.